Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this delicious Guyanese style Christmas sponge cake. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at our ingredients. Today I'll be using some evaporated milk, some all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, eggs, some vanilla and almond extract, some unsalted butter. I have lime zest, cinnamon, nutmeg, baking powder, and salt. So basically you want to combine all of your dry ingredients, mix that well, and set aside. I did went ahead and sift my flour prior. Next, I like to add my flavors directly to the eggs to prevent that raw eggy smell and taste. Next, you want to combine your sugar and butter, and you want to go in with a hand mixer. You can use a stand mixer if you prefer, and just whip this until it's light and airy. Occasionally, you want to get in there with your spatula and just scrape down the sides of your bowl so that everything gets well incorporated. After about 8 minutes in total, the butter and sugar is perfection. All the sugar is melted and it is light and airy. So now you want to go ahead and start adding your eggs a little at a time. Once you add a little, you will make sure that is fully combined before adding the next bit. And you will follow up with the next bit until all of your eggs are added. So at this point, all of our eggs are added. Now we will follow up with our evaporated milk. You can also use buttermilk or whole milk here if you prefer. So we will add that in a little at a time. Now some people would usually add the milk once they add all their dry ingredients. They will add the milk in, along with that. But I like to add all my wet ingredients first and then add the dry ingredients last. So here you see me adding in my dry ingredients. You want to add that in a little at a time, and you want to mix this in by hand to avoid over mixing your batter. This is very important. To have the perfect cake, you never want to over mix your batter. So we will add that in, mix it well, and once it's all mixed in, we will proceed to the next step. Here I've prepared a 9-inch cake tin with parchment paper. We will add our batter in there. Make sure it's nicely leveled. We will tap it on the countertop to remove any air bubbles. And we will place this in a 320-degree oven for about 30 to 45 minutes or so. Once you stick a skewer or a toothpick in the middle and it comes out clean, that's how you know your cake is all done. After about 45 minutes, my cake is looking absolutely amazing. It smells great too. I will allow it to cool off completely before I dig in and show you guys what it looks like on the inside. So now for the good part. The cake is cooled. We will cut it, and it was pure perfection on the inside. The crumb was nice and fine. It was so moist and delicious, and I can't wait for you guys to give this recipe a try. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, mwah, enjoy.